This poem I'm going to drop, it's called Don't Cry. And it's the name of my book. It's all good. Thank you very much. Amanda Shea. Boston, GBH. Mama, don't cry. I'm going to make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when you're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom. Inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen to this. I will not quit, even if I have to keep crawling on the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry. You try to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son about a ball thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids, don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. Next one real quick. It's called For Our Children to Know. Maximum respect to my kids back in Jamaica. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential. Time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You will encounter earlys in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy while I vibe and meditate. Amanda, I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, when I discuss it, mix up and I partake. My heart aches, I can't take. Liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fearness among all human race. Clarice, notice this face when I lip trace. I will never disgrace my people for position rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings, mistakes are the reason for your failure. So rise and surprise them with a bliss face. The final one real quick, it's called Sick. Amanda Shea, I am sick. No jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the stuff radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for GBH and Amanda Shea, some of you people would never hear about me. Clarice, I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick with how my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hear me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. So I'm sick and confused, fake education. Amaziyah the great views. Boston, Massachusetts, we're living among a sick generation. Thanks very much for having me. Go get my book on Amazon, Don't Cry. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. Clarice, maximum respect. Big up all the troops in Rhode Island, Jamaica, Spanish Town, precisely.